Hey everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, welcome. If it's not your first time and you're here for the second time or third since I've posted 2 videos, welcome back. For everybody who does not know me, my name is Felisa Shako and this is my YouTube channel. Okay, so this is probably just gonna be a spend the week with me. I know school's been super stressful, so I really haven't been much on the social media side, but let's see how this week goes by. It's probably gonna be me studying, taking pictures, studying. We'll see. Oh yeah, just in case you're wondering, yep, I got a roommate. Tough times call for tough decisions, so yeah. Decorations are still on, but I had to like remove most things from that side of the wardrobe and sort of put it here. It's not kind of sort of looks like a mess because like everything is just on one side, but it is what it is. So in life sometimes you just gotta like compromise, so you know, yeah. But otherwise she's a good person. I really like her. Yeah, and I'm gonna be learning Chinyanja soon, which is super fun because I've been in Zambia for about 2 years now, and I do not know anything in Chinyanja except like how to say thank you, how to greet, and how to say good night. So hopefully by the end of this year I'll be able to actually speak fluent Chinyanja, and then from Nyanja I'll probably move to Bemba, maybe Lozi, because Lozi sounds really fun and like it's a little similar to Sesotho, which I do understand. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. Anywho, it's time we're going to study, so yeah. It's a Monday. Yeah, and truth be told, I'm a little late. Not really, but like it's 12 minutes till the lesson starts, and if I want to get a good chair, I need to make sure what I'm there like now. Because somehow I woke up early. I did everything early, but ended up not liking my outfit, and then I had to change, and that took time. But Wamanje, we are all black. Yes. We're all black. And as if you can see, but hey, I'm trying my best, and here we go. And then obviously we're gonna have this cute bag that I got as a birthday present. Hell, I need to get a tripod stand to him. Here we go. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to go with the camera as Kolweni, but I think no, I don't think I'm gonna do that. The last thing that I want is attracting attention to myself. Okay, there we are. Everything looks good. Time for me to go.
I awoke all alone on a Sunday playing games with the names in my head. It's a shame I can't change. Maybe one day you come crawling back to me instead. We keep spinning in this game, no one's winning. If we just take a little more time, I could breathe and relieve the anxiety just knowing you'll always be mine. Maybe I believe in the language of love. It's written in the heavens and the stars up above. It takes a little patience, but if you give enough, it'll work out right. It just takes a little time. Some might say there's a way to be open and honest with the voice in your head. It's okay, I can't blame you for hoping know that we can keep it beside this picture of you and I. But I could breathe and relieve the anxiety just knowing you'll always be mine. Maybe I believe in the language of love. It's written in the heavens and the stars up above. It takes a little patience, but if you give enough, it'll work out right.
Quise volver a verte, quise abrazarte, tenerte cerca, pero no puedo. ¿Cómo te niego mis ojos si quieren verte? ¿Cómo te niego mi corazón si te siente? Quiero de lo bueno que teníamos perderme, pero luego recuerdo fue malo quererte. Saliendo con
It's a Tuesday and I have a quiz in 2 hours, so somehow life keeps on getting harder and harder. Is it too late to change a career? Because Zasho. I'm wet. I was just coming from school, from a quiz. Somehow it just starts raining out of nowhere while I was on my way home. I'm like, Zambia, Lusaka. Like 1 minute it's hot, and then after that it just gets really rainy. And believe me, like after like about an hour or two, it will stop raining. Then it might actually just get hot again. But it's okay. People prayed for rain, and here's the rain. Only that is making me wet. The jumpsuit is giving, and definitely my mother's genetics did not disappoint, because do you see the curves? Guys, like they are just giving, like they're there, you know, they're not too much, but like they're still there. You know, I don't have to look for them anymore, but like they're there. And shout out to Keisha, who got me this beautiful jumpsuit for my birthday, along with a couple of other things. But